Hey, Bob Nash here. Today I'll be talking about the Baxia motion sensor solar powered lights. I have the 100 and the 28 LED. It's a little chilly out today. As you can see, there's still frost on the ground where the sun didn't shine. So I have these let's see, placed around. There's the first one. The second one. I need to switch modes here. Okay, that's better. Alright, so I've got these stationed around the house so that when one goes off, the next goes off. These are my hardwired lights. And then around the back here I have my 100 LED. It's really important to keep these things clean. That's a 28, 100, and 100. And then I'll be showing you these at nighttime. So here's the street. If we come back around again, so far these things have been pretty excellent, especially to survive a few Minnesota winters. Can get anywhere between 10 degrees and minus 10 degrees or colder with the wind chill. And then I've got some under the windows. And there's the backyard. Again, I'll be showing you, they're pretty close to the same clip in the dark. Alright. So not too impressive in the daytime. Basically all you got to remember with these things is to keep them clean. It looks like I might need to clean them. Alright, so there's the motion sensor, and then the LED is on the panel. The solar collection cells are on the top. And I'll take a quick look at the 100. Super bright. Same kind of deal. Larger solar panel. There's actually a teeny hole there. I don't know if you can see it. That's used to lock and unlock the light. It wouldn't be much good if someone could just come by and turn off a switch. Let me see if I can find the key. Okay, so there's the key. And that goes right in the little hole right here, which is actually the off and on switch for the light. Okay, so here we are at nighttime, looking at the Baxia solar motion sensor lights. This is one of the 28 LED. This one gets used quite often because it's right by the door. As we progress down the side of the garage here, the motion sensor will kick in. This one's a bit brighter, and across from that I got another one. As you can see, pretty bright. I come around the corner, I got my garage lights. Those are hardwired. And so as we come around, I have some 100 LED Baxia motion sensor lights here. Got a set of 3. And you'll be able to see it already picked me up through the tree here. So 1, 2, as you get closer, the third one should kick in here. Yes, the third one. So as you can see, this pretty much lights up the whole back side of the yard. These things are super bright. I've had them for quite a while, and they work great. You can see how dark it actually is towards the street. And yeah, that covers it. We'll come back around where the smaller 28s are. You can see one up ahead. How long it'll take before it kicks in here. There's a garage light. So that one will kick in. That one kicks in. Around we go. Alright, so those are the ones on this side. Past my little patio area here, and this is my backyard. As you can see, pretty dark. As you come around the side, there's another one. That's another 100 under one window, and then another 100 under that window. As you can see, it was once pitch black. Lights up the yard pretty darn good. No electricity, solar powered. So far so good.